When we're at home, we want to relax. We don't want to be bothered with anything, and we always look for the easiest solutions. What's up everyone, I'm Samir from Iconic Man magazine, and I'm here to show you must-have home gadgets that will make life a lot easier for you at home. Do any of men enjoy shaving? Short answer, no. A lot of us try to achieve warmth while shaving to have a softer shave. That's how Gillette got their idea of their heated razor. It can heat up to 122 degrees. According to your preference. Time to have a better shave. If your cooking skills are not that good or you'd like to save some cleaning time and money, this one can help you a lot. It basically cooks a meal for you and handles all the things that you have to do manually. It measures weight, it cuts and stirs the food. You should look forward to buying this one. Yup, this one is definitely for the lazy. Why spend all the effort and time cleaning the house while you can have a robot do it for you? It has a very stylish look and great options. However, it's a little bit pricey, so you should think if you really need it or not. Forget about the vacuum. Did you know that there's also a robotic mop? Yep, that's true, and it's a very smart one as well. It has built-in functions to allow it to clean all the stains perfectly, and it also comes at a great price. Do you ever just wish you had control of your whole house in one place? That's what Samsung's Smart Things Hub does for you. It allows you to control everything, the lights, the speakers, the doors, you can even have the app on your phone. And all of this for a very cheap price. Feeling like you want to know more about these super cool gadgets? Take a look at our full article, we'll leave a link in the description. Oh, and don't forget to like, share and of course subscribe.